Hey guys, if you would like to buy cheap items on Temu, today's video I'm going to show you how you can do it. So first of all, the way you can get items at very low cost on Temu is by strategically combining discounts, flash deals, and use of your mobile app. So first of all, when you're in the home page, you have to select the stuff that are on sale. So as you can see, it is showing Black Friday for now. Tap onto it, and then you can see all the items that are on sale. Even if the Black Friday is not available in your region, you can select all the items that are half of the price, and the pop-up will be on the top page or in the middle. Another is also combining discount codes. So if you have any discount codes available, you can paste it while checking out an item. And lastly, using referral codes. For example, select Play and Earn, select any of these games here, refer new app users, and then you will earn a free gift or some credits to give you enough discount to buy an item at a cheap price.